Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Welcome back with me. My name is Marcelino Tiasandika Putra, name 29 2020. Today, I will bring news about artificial pancreas to revolutionize diabetes care in England. Nearly 900 patients with type 1 diabetes in England are testing a potentially life-changing artificial pancreas. It can eliminate the need for finger pricks test and prevent life-threatening hypokalemic attacks where blood sugar level fall too low. The technology uses a sensor under the skin. It continually monitors the levels and pump automatically adjusts the amount of insulin required. 6-year-old Charlotte from Lancashire is one of more than 200 children using the hybrid closed-loop system. Her mother, Engelbert, told us it has made a massive impact on the whole family. Prior to having the loop, everything was manual, she said. At night, we'd have to set the alarm every 2 hours to do finger pricks and correction of insulin in order to deal with the ups and downs of Charlotte's blood sugars. About 400,000 people in the UK have type 1 diabetes, a condition where the body cannot produce insulin, the hormone which regulates blood sugar levels. NHS England says it is the first national way to test the technology in the world, and it comes 100 years after the first diabetes patient received insulin injections. The hybrid system is not completely automated because the amount of carbohydrates being eaten at meal times need to be inputted. Charlotte consultant Dr. May NG, a pediatric endocrinologist at Ormskirk District General Hospital, thinks the new technology has huge potential. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I've been practicing for 25 years in children's diabetes, and it's game changer. She said to be able to improve the quality of life, to be able to see that most of their blood glucose readings are within that target range, it's very exciting. For age, the constant monitoring means that Charlotte can go back to being the children she was. She loves days out with her friends and sleepovers. But we had to stop this as soon as she was diagnosed because other people could not manage her diabetes. Now, we can allow her to go out for the social occasions when we're not there. Yasmin Hopkins, 27, from London, has also received an artificial pancreas as part of the pilot. She was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes 15 years ago and had struggled to maintain her blood sugar level. Yasmin told us she finds the new technology liberating. I woke up now and can do a normal day's walk or go on a dog walk without being concerned. She said, before, I felt like I'd have been at risk from some of the long-term complications of diabetes, whereas now I don't see that happening. If blood sugar levels are not kept under control, diabetes patients risk long-term damage to their heart, kidneys, eyes, and nerves. Prof. Pat Carr, NHS National Specialty Advisor for Diabetes, said, having machine monitor and deliver medication for diabetes patients sounds quite sci-fi like, but technology and machines are part and parcel of how we live our lives every day. It is not very far away from the holy grail of fully automated system, where people with type 1 diabetes can get on with their lives without worrying about glucose levels or medication. Chris Askew, Chief Executive of Diabetes UK, said, this technology has potential to transform the lives of people with type 1 diabetes, improving both their quality of life and clinical outcomes. To date, 875 patients have joined the pilot, which will enroll up to 1,000 people. The result will be part of assessment by the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, which is considering where to roll out technology more widely. It comes after NICA recommended that everyone in England with type 1 diabetes be offered some form of continuous glucose monitoring via a sensor attached to the skin. Thank you so much for listening to the news I bring. Okay, goodbye.